While you're on the Power IR test screen, click on VI test screen. This graph has negative and positive voltages and currents. Here's a resistor VI graph. It takes high current for low-value resistors. A little side note, you don't have to do anything to set it up because the software will arranges it all automatically. It takes medium current for medium resistors, and it takes low current for high-value resistors. Now, the capacitor VI graph. It takes low current for low-value capacitor. C is the sign in values for this graph. And R and C are the parallel signs and values. Now it takes high current for high-value capacitors. D and R are serial signs and values. And all the components signs and values. This here is one V graph for focusing capacitor. The IC pins. IC diodes capacitor. Open the saved file. There's a resistance at the first point that I've checked. Here, I'm using the next button to check the others. If there's a problem, the software will tell you. I'd want to start the comparison from here. And if there's nothing wrong with it, it will automatically move on to the next point while doing the comparison. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Moving on, and gotcha. Here's the non-harmonious, aka the faulty pin. And here's another. Because diodes are damaged and resistance has been created in the pin. And another. It is a reverse diode with an open circuit. And here's the last one. But they cannot run or hide. From FADOS and the MUX.